U5 E340 video doorbell. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. Dual cameras, front and floor views for full coverage. Number 2. 2K Full HD, clear and detailed video quality. Number 3. Color night vision, see up to 16 feet with clarity. Number 4. Battery or wired, flexible power installation options. Number 5. Quick swap battery, easy battery changes without downtime. Number 6. Chime compatibility, works with multiple home alert systems. Number 7. No monthly fee, local storage ensures no subscription cost. Number 8. Smart home ready, Alexa and Google Assistant supported. Number 9. Wide power support, wired modes need 16 to 24 volt connection. Number 10. Delivery guard, protects packages with advanced monitoring. More details, click the video description links. Arlo video doorbell second generation. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. 2K video quality, crisp visual for clear monitoring. Number 2. Wireless or wired options, flexible installation choice. Number 3. 180-degree wide view, full head to toe video coverage. Number 4. Two-way audio, talk and listen in real time. Number 5. Night vision, clear footage even in low light. Number 6. Integrated siren, remote siren activation for security. Number 7. IP65 rated, durable for indoor and outdoor use. Number 8. Smart notifications, real-time alerts with motion detection. Number 9. Privacy protection, personal data kept secure and private. Number 10. Arlo Secure Plan, optional video storage and smart features. More details, click the video description links. Ring Peephole Cam. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. 1080 pixel HD video, clear visuals for monitoring visitors. Number 2. Two-way talk, communicate with visitors in real time. Number 3. Motion alerts, notifications for knocks or motion detection. Number 4. Easy installation, replace peephole in under 5 minutes. Number 5. Alexa integration, view and talk via compatible Echo devices. Number 6. Adjustable motion detection, focus sensors on what matters most. Number 7. Package notifications, know when delivers arrives. Number 8. Ring Protect Plan, optional video storage and sharing. Number 9. Mobile alerts, notifications to phone, tablet or PC. Number 10. No drilling required, hassle-free tool included setup. More details, click the video description links. EasyViz DB2 Kit Video Doorbell. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. 2K resolution, crystal clear video with 5-meter night vision. Number 2. 4-month battery, long-lasting battery for uninterrupted use. Number 3. AI human detection, smart alerts for people, not pets. Number 4. 176-degree wide view, see visitors head to toe, plus packages. Number 5. Indoor SIM, extend Wi-Fi and ensure stable connection. Number 6. Two-way talk, communicate with visitors via the app. Number 7. Anti-tamper alarm alerts you if the device is disturbed. Number 8. Waterproof design, reliable performance in wall conditions. Number 9. Multiple storage options, micro SD or cloud play for recordings. Number 10. Self installation, easy setup with adjustable mounting plates. More details, click the video description links. Ring Pro wired doorbell. Why you should to buy this product? Number 1. 1536 pixel HD plus video. Head to toe clarity for detailed views. Number 2. Two-way audio plus. Talk to visitors with enhanced sound. Number 3. 3D motion detection. Pinpoint motion and track movement. Number 4. Bird's eye zones. Customize motion alerts by specific areas. Number 5. Alexa greetings. Automated visitors response with subscription. Number 6. Wired installation. Connect to existing doorbell wiring. Number 7. 24/7 power. Reliable hardwired operation for continuous use. Number 8. Ring protected plan. Optional video storage and advanced features. Number 9. Alexa integration. Announcement and live feed on Echo devices. Number 10. Custom privacy settings. Control what your camera captures. More details, click the video description link.